Good afternoon, my name is Pete Alaskis, and I want to put together a couple of videos here to show you some of the different kits that we offer with our combustion analyzers. Many of the different combustion analyzers do different things. Some of the combustion analyzers will do pressure, some of them will do NOx, nitrous oxides, some of them won't, some of them will print out, some of them won't, some of them you can use with your PC to download results, some of them you can't. So we put together a wide range of kits with the different 700 series combustion analyzers so that we can try to find a kit that's good for everybody. So this first kit that I'm going to show you is the 708A740, and the 708 is our combustion efficiency analyzer that does not include pressure. So this will do your combustion efficiency checks. It comes with your flue gas probe, so you can take a sample from your flue, and it also comes with the infrared printer. So the 708A740 is the kit that includes the infrared printer, and the reason for that is so that you can download your results. You can print a copy out once you've done your furnace test. You can download the results to the printer. You can sign a copy of it, leave it with your customer. You can also print out another copy and take it back to the home base for your records.